Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a CPA marketing content locking method that gave me good results. And also I'm going to show you a few free traffic sources that you can use to promote that content locker. Okay, so next thing we need to do, we need to go on YouTube and we need to find a high valuable content that provides high value. That is really important. So for example, let's just say I wish to search something like how to learn Python. Now everybody wish to learn coding because coding is a high paying skill. So here you can see there is lots of courses that provides high value that will actually teach you how to do coding, how to do Python. So for example, look at this. Learn Python full course for beginners. It is the 4.5 hours course. So what we need to do, we simply need to open this video. So let me just pause this. And then we need to scroll here and click here on share. And then we need to click here on embed. And now I can simply copy this entire embed code. And now we need to go and make a bridge page. And for that, I will actually use Google Sites. Now here you can see I already prepared something. Here you can see learn Python. And here you can see length for 4 hours. And now what I need to do, I simply need to click here on embed and then click here on embed code. And then I need to paste that here and then click here on next. And I actually embedded this video. Click here on insert and that's it. And I can also drag this to make it a bit larger, something like this, okay? And then what I need to do, next thing I need to do, I actually need to create a content locker. In this case, a video content locker. Now for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Cpagrip. But first, let's just check potential of this keyword. So let me just close this and I will simply copy this keyword and then go on href keyword tool, keyword generator and press enter just to check out to see how many people actually search for this. 3,400 people is searching this keyword on Google every month in the United States. So let me just close this and let's just search for this keyword here just to check it out. And here you can see 16,000 people is searching for this keyword every month in the United States alone. So this keyword actually has a potential. Many people wish to learn coding, wish to learn Python. So we can actually make money. So like I said, we need to create a video locker, and for that I am going to use Cpagrip. Click here on create a new video locker and then agree to the terms of condition, click here on continue, and now I need to create a locker. So here I will say something like learn Python. Okay, learn Python. Okay, please complete the survey below to unlock this protected content. To unlock this course, okay? To unlock this course, I will say something like that, okay? And I will use a different template. Here you can see, I will use one of these templates, doesn't really matter, but what does matter is when you click here on style. So what we need to do, we actually need to go here on Google Images, and here I need to search for Python. Okay, Python, and then go here on Google Images, and I need to use one of these images. So let me just find one of these images that is actually best for my video content locker. So let me just choose one of these images. Let me just choose this one. Okay, this one is actually better. So I will click here and then right click here and then copy image link. That is important. Go back here on Cpagrip and then here it says background image URL. I need to paste that here, okay? And let me scroll here, click here on refresh, and here you can see, okay, now these blue letters, that is not the best, so I will click here, and I will actually, let's just say, for example, green, and again, refresh, just to see how this looks, and now it looks much better. Just play with this, just to see all the things that you can do. And after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here on save, give it a second, and now I need to click here, get embed code, and I will simply copy code. And now I need to go back here on Google Sites, and then I need to click here on this little pencil, and I need to add that embed code here, and click here on next. And here you can see how this actually looks. So let me just close this, click here on save, and that's it. Here you can see how this actually looks. So when I click here on preview, you can see how this looks in real time. Here you can see, if they wish to watch this course, this full course, they need to complete a survey. Currently, there is no surveys for my country, unfortunately, so I cannot show you how to do that. So what I need to do next? Next, I need to start promoting my bridge page. Now for that, you can simply use Quora. come here on Quora and search something like, for example, how to learn Python. Okay, Python. Sorry for that. Python. And here you can see, how do I learn Python? And here you can see 2,400 people is following this question. So let me just scroll here, and when I click here on more, and let me just scroll on the end of this answer. Here you can see 758,000 people saw this answer. Now imagine how many clicks how many visits this guy sent to all of these websites here. A lot. How much money you can make. Also, you can go here on Reddit, and here you can search for Python, and then go here on communities. And here you can see there is lots of Python related communities where you can share your bridge page to help people who wish to learn how to do Python. You can help them by sharing your link here on Reddit, in these Reddit communities, okay? Also, what you can do is you can simply go here on Twitter, and here you can search same thing, how do I learn Python? And you can see, click here on latest, and here you can find people who are asking that question, people who wish to learn how to do Python, how to do coding in Python, and they are actually searching for someone who will give them valuable content, valuable YouTube videos, ebooks, or whatever, valuable courses to learn Python. And you will share your link to your Google site where you actually have your video content locker, and some of those people will click on it, will complete survey, and you will make money. Now, this takes some time and takes some work, but it does give results if you do everything correctly. And yes, you can make money with CPA Marketing Video Content Locker and free traffic by using these free traffic sources. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.